you ever thought about purchasing your own drone? Well, I have, and I've bought this one today. Woohoo! So we're going to open the box here. This is an F.P.V drone done by Tozo, and it is an authentic product apparently, which is yummy. Looking at the box, it's just usual gump on each side and some barcodes and some serial numbers. It is an F.P.V drone and it's a 720p camera on the front, I believe. So we'll have a look at the actual beast itself now. Opening the box, we have some wonderful packaging. Let's get through all this, and here's the beast itself. Looking at it, it looks quite a high quality. I have already come across a problem. It's very light, but the plastic is of a plastic where it's your grease from your fingers do actually mark the actual plastic. So the quality of this is perhaps a little bit less than what I thought. The battery compartment is nicely ventilated and has a wonderful battery, 3.7 volt and 650 milliamp an hour, I believe. Let's have a gander of that. Yeah, the plastic is very, very, very shiny. It is okay, really, to be honest. Nice little beast there. Let's have a look at the controller. The controller is rubberized plastic and is of a gamer's controller configuration. Lovely buttons on the back. Look at that. And what I believe are some trim buttons on the front. Quite nice to hold in your hands. Quite like, very nice. What we have now is the phone holder that goes onto the actual controller itself and holds your phone, so you can have a look through your phone at the F.P.V camera on the front. Very well made, actually. It feels as though it can be, yeah, very, very solid thing. That is quite like that, quite like that. And what we have now, we've got a little bag of bits, which looks to be like we've got a USB cable, charging cable. We've got some spare propellers, a little screwdriver, lovely bubbly, and the book at the bottom, if I can actually get the damn thing out. Let's see. Right, it's a book, and it's got instructions in. What more can you say? We've got a list of things at the front, and yeah, smashing. Looking at the beast itself, it's quite light in itself. I believe it's about 130, 150 grams, depending on the batteries in. It measures about 6 inches by 4, which, you know, it makes it quite portable in that regard. I'm going to unclick the undercarriage first, which has some flex to it, but is strong enough for the weight of the vehicle. Nice chunky clicking. I don't think the hinges on this would be up to a fair few scratches, but it's good enough for the weight, again, of the vehicle. Makes it pretty good. The vehicle itself extended is a 343 mils by 313 millimeter, and it's about 10 centimeters high at this stage. Now, I'll show you the camera on the front. Very simply put, and there's the aerial for the Wi-Fi itself. It is actually out of the way, and the lights, you've got some lights there just for directional, so you can have the front and the back as well. You can actually turn them off on the controller itself as well, which is quite useful.
There is a few ways of controlling our little beast, and one's through the controller and one's through pairing it on the phone. Now, to control with the actual controller first, just the controller, all you do is turn the wee beast on. Always turn the controller on first. Then at the back of the unit here, you have a little switch. You put that to on, and you wait for the lights to flash. Then you pull up, wait for a beep, and pull down. Wait for a beep, and then it locks. You can tell the flashing on the light has stopped, and there it is, locked. Simple as that. Then to actually activate the motors, all you have to do is pull these two sticks in 45-degree action towards your hands itself, just like that, and then it should start turning. To turn off, just press the button there. control your unit with your mobile phone, a slightly different procedure is used. Firstly, you turn on the unit with a switch at the back, and you take your phone, then go to the Wi-Fi settings of your particular device. Then what should come up is a Wi-Fi UFO. So we click on that, and it's connected. Then we go to our app that we've downloaded, click on play, and then it's automatically brought up the camera display on the actual drone itself. And if I bring that up to the camera so you can see, there is little to no latency, but the quality of the camera could have been better. I have actually seen better 720p cameras out there, but it's not bad. You can actually control it through this as well by pushing a little button up here, and you've got your little control system through here. You can also take pictures and record video as well, and all of that data is actually saved onto the phone itself, not the actual unit. In fact, if you look at the unit, turn that off, where the SD card would go, this model actually has a blank. There are many out there that there's actually a hole, and if you were to put a card in there, it would disappear into the ether, and unfortunate situation that is. Right, I think we should go and test this outside. Right, the first thing to say about this beast is how easy it is to actually control. There are 3 settings, a low, medium and high, and I've got it on low here, and it is really docile and lovely to play with to try and get some lovely video footage. Depending what you want from the beast, the higher settings make it more aggressive, so you can actually do a little bit of racing and manoeuvring about with this thing. It's very good considering its size and price. The camera itself runs at 720 by 512 resolution and is okay for the purpose, but perhaps not recording. As you get further away from the transmitter, you'll notice that the banding occurs across the horizontal banding across the screen. If you can see that on the recording, and also it records at perhaps 1.5 times slower than real world, which is again quite strange, but not detrimental to the overall effect. It's an FPV drone at the end of the day. Thank you for watching the Grim Adventures, and I'll see you all next time.